Is your child's hearing fine? Let's go over some simple ways to check your child's hearing and what you can do. If your baby or toddler doesn't react to loud noises or turns their head in the wrong direction when you call their name, it could be a sign of hearing loss. For older children, you might notice they ask you to repeat things often or seem to have trouble understanding speech, especially in noisy environments. Call your child's name from different areas of the room and see if they turn to look at you. For older children, you can use toys or sounds like clapping or beeping to see if they react. Pediatricians often perform basic hearing screenings as part of routine checkups. These screenings usually involve simple tests to determine if your child can hear certain sounds and frequencies. Audiologists are trained to diagnose hearing problems. They use specialized equipment to pinpoint the exact nature of hearing loss and help guide treatment. Hearing aids, speech therapy, or even cochlear implants can help improve their hearing and communication skills. I hope this was helpful. Follow A Healthy Info for more.